प्राइवेट टेबल फॉर्मूला कैसे करना है, पहले ये सिलेक्शन डालना होगा ये तक। अभी इंसर्ट प्राइवेट टेबल, न्यू सीट, अभी यहाँ पे ऑप्शन आया कॉलम, दैट मीन यहाँ पे होना चाहिए रो, दिस वन रो, वैल्यू जिसका वो चाहिए, सपोज सप्लायर्स नेम, देन वैल्यू bill amount, that is count, number of count, here is option is sum, then equal, example AG Enterprise 34,900, enter. AG Enterprise, total is 1,41,242. Okay, Ajay Shah, also select, now check, 1,34,900, private table, 1,34, Alpha Food 10,000, select on Alpha Food, Alpha Foods, how much, 10,849, 10,849, this is private table. Second, here is the many option is there, sum, maximum, count, average, that means AG Enterprise how much lifting, 19,271 average per month. How to calculate AG Enterprise, AG Enterprise total 1,34,900, calculator, 1,34,900 divide how many days, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, 7 days, divide 7, average is there 19,271, private table easily solve that problem, 19,271. Maximum, here another option is maximum, max, that means maximum of numbers lifting, AJ 28320, highest number is 28320, here is calculate, easily calculate maximum, minimum 12,980, you can see 12,980 is, that is minimum. And here is another option, have bar, product is there, and count A, how many count, 7, that means 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, counting that number easily, value means result, which is you need